She's wearing a combination of red and silk gold, glittery stones and rhinestones, crystals with accentuated with black gloves. Let's give it up for candidate number 15, Lisel Ojales.
Parang magbabago ka. Ang padapay iPad eh. Ha?
Alright, thank you so